Hi everyone, my name is Amory. I'm here today at Medisca's state-of-the-art training facility out in Sydney, Australia. This is where we host our training programs, including our comprehensive non-sterile training program and our niche lab training sessions. At our course, you'll receive the full compounding experience, taught by industry leaders and experts in our field, giving one-on-one support to facilitate your journey. Throughout the experience, you'll get the opportunity to use the latest and greatest, most advanced technology and equipment. At Medisca, your safety is our priority. To ensure a safe learning environment, we decided to split our training courses into two segments. Part 1 is online learning and virtual seminar, and Part 2 for our in-lab training sessions, we've decided to implement contactless QR codes, social distancing measures, and PPE. With that being said, we're offering huge early bird discounts. Save $750 off our non-sterile training course. The offer ends January 31st, 2021, so you better get in quick.